Okay, do the card. All right.
All right, Joe, we're going to play one more game.
Happy birthday to Jordan. For Jordan's birthday, we are at Enchanted Castle, and we are doing the mini bowling, and Jordan is off the chain. Say hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
Watch me bowl.
Look,
He is in his prime. All right, watch your hands. Watch your hands. All right, so we're going to show Jordan's.
Wait on the pins.
Wow. Look at your pins, baby. And he's watching. Good job.
Yeah, good
Listen,
job.
he is blowing me away. I am so impressed with his bowling skills. All right, now he's going to pick up his spare, but a ball did not come back. Oh, here it comes. Move your hands, move your hands, move your hands. All right. So here we go. Take your time, baby. Wow. Yes. Yes. Good job. All right. So we're going to keep track of this game. I don't even know what he bowled the last two games. Okay, last game was 43. First game, I don't know what he bowled. But check out his style. Here comes the ball. Watch your hands. Watch your hands. Take your time. Wow. Look at him go. Wow. Good job, baby. Take your hand off your hip. Put your hands down. There you go. All right. So he now has score. Oh, you can't see it, but it's 13. He has a score of 13, and he has to pick up his spare. It's coming back. All right, take your time, baby. All right, well, make sure he gets situated. Kind of going a little too fast. All right, Jordan, you got to take your time. Move your hands. Move your hands. Put your hands down, because we don't want to smash your fingers. All right, now he has 15. He's ready. And he's ready. Watch your hands. I don't know what he's doing, but he's getting ready. All right, here we go. All right, Jordan, take your time. You got this. Right down the middle. I'm not sure of that one. I think that one, he dropped that one. So, not sure what happened with that one. Okay. But he got some pin action. Oh, they cheated him. String bowling. Okay, well, let's see what we're going to do on the next one. Now he has 16. Come on, Jordan, we got to beat your first score. Huh? Okay, watch your hands. Here comes the ball. All right, we got a little audience here. Now take your time. Oh, my goodness. Yeah, just roll it, baby. Just roll it. Just roll it. Okay. All right, we got 3 that time. Watch your hands. Don't put your hands right there. Okay. We got 19. Yeah. Dada's going to help us out. Dada's going to go and get the balls because they're... Come back, Jordan. Come back, Jordan. Yeah, Dada going to get all the balls to come back. Okay, wait till Dada move out of the way. All right. Listen. Whoa. Bring it back. Okay. Now, I was bringing them back. Whoa. All right. Good job. Yeah. All right, Jordan. Right down the middle, baby. Oh, wait for your pins.
See them.
Okay. Wow. Oh, yeah. Woo! Good job. And he has an audience now. Wait. Wait for your pins, baby. He said, oh, yeah. Look, he got an audience. Look.
He loved folding.
Okay, all right. Let's see what our score is. 35. All right, we're gonna beat our score.
Just gave him a foul. He didn't do nothing.
So he cannot cross the line for real.
No, he throw the ball.
Oh, why? Watch your hands. Okay. Wow!
Good shot. Good shot.
Yeah! Wow, Jordan, that was amazing. You got 8. Good job. All right, it's time to pick up spare, Jordan. When your ball come back, okay, he is definitely going to beat his last game. He had 43. Oh. And maybe we get some little bouncing. Ooh, so close. Ah, man, you miss.
Oh, man.
You miss. Watch your hands, Jordan. Watch your hands. Good job. All right. I wish I would have remembered what that first game was. Okay. All right. Good.
Get a better shot if you don't touch it.
Okay.
Slow down.
Okay.
Oh, wait, you got no pins. You got no pins. Come back. Come back. Come back. Okay. The ball up. There you go. Good shot.
Wow. Yay! And Jordan got cheerleaders in the back. Okay.
You gotta wait on your pins.
Oh, my mama get it. Let mama get it. I'll get it. Wow, Jordan, that was amazing. Here. All right. Wow. Okay. Do we got one more?
Yeah, you gotta make your spare. Make your spare, Jordan. Wait on your pins. We'll give him a foul again.
Aw, 67. All right, Jordan, good job. With a spare. They gave him a spare?
No, they didn't